Hello there! In this video, we'll explore how to create a timeline in Notion. Let's start on a fresh page. Notice the three dots option at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see several options pop up. Select the timeline option. This will bring up the timeline view. To add a new database, simply click on the empty database option. Feel free to edit the databases as well. You can easily rename them. Once you've finished editing, rename it according to your requirements. Then, you have the option to drag and drop the timeline elements. You can rearrange the timeline by dragging and dropping elements to fit your needs. For example, you can position items on specific dates or customize the timeline to match particular dates and times. Moreover, adjusting the timeline is as simple as dragging and dropping items onto precise date and time slots. And that's how you add a timeline in the Notion platform. Thank you.